Hey beautiful people, welcome to this exciting video. If you're just joining me, this is Clara's Corner, and in this channel we make DIY videos of different products. And in today's video we're about to make a massive hair growth cream for businesses and for personal use. If you want to see how I made this cream, keep watching. Welcome back guys. Here are the items for this hair growth cream. We have paraffin oil, we have petroleum jelly right here, we'll also have paraffin wax. This is paraffin wax right here. We'll also have lanolin. This is lanolin. It's called lanolin. We'll be using menthol crystals also for this hair growth cream. Here is menthol crystals. We'll be using it for this production. The next one is varieties of herbs blended together in one to make a very potent hair growth cream. And the next one is vitamin E oil. And the next thing we have here is fragrance. This is fragrance. We'll be using it to make this cream smell so nice. So we also have color to beautify this cream. So here are the items. Guys, let's watch how this cream is made. So first thing here is to light up the gas and place your pot. Here is my pot, and then the first thing to go in is the paraffin oil. After adding the paraffin oil into the pot, you're going to be allowing it to heat for like 2 minutes. Allow the paraffin oil to heat up for like 2 minutes. Then the next thing to add is the petroleum jelly. You're going to be adding petroleum jelly. After adding it, you're going to stir. Keep stirring the petroleum jelly to dissolve completely. You're going to be doing the stirring. You don't leave it so that it doesn't get burnt. You keep stirring it until the petroleum jelly is completely dissolved. After dissolving the petroleum jelly, the next item will go in. Guys, if you're new here, this is Clara's Corner, and in this channel we make DIY products for personal use and for business. So consider subscribing because this channel is definitely going to be giving you values. Alright guys, you can see the petroleum jelly is completely dissolved into the paraffin oil. So the next thing to add is the paraffin wax. We're going to be throwing in paraffin wax into this mixture and also keep stirring it for it to dissolve completely. After dissolving it, the next ingredients will go in. Okay, let me mention some of the benefits of these items on your hair. For paraffin oil is a very great lubricant that can thicken your hair, reduce breakage, give volume to your hair, make your hair have a very good texture. Petroleum jelly, on the other hand, is an amazing moisturizer that can protect your hair from breakage and dryness, and it can also give shine to your hair. The paraffin wax is completely dissolved. We are going to be adding the menthol crystals into the mixture. We are going to be adding it and also stir for it to dissolve completely into this mixture. Menthol crystals stimulate blood circulation to your scalp, and it also has a cooling and a refreshing effect on your hair. It also protects the hair from having dandruff. That is to say, it has an anti-fungi and antibacterial properties. The next thing we'll be adding is the lanolin. Lanolin is a natural emollient. It helps to improve your hair elasticity, helps to balance the pH of your hair, and gives a shiny look on your hair. After adding it into this mixture, we are also going to be stirring it. Stir it very well to combine into the mixture very well. Guys, you can see I'm using a very low heat to dissolve these ingredients together. So you don't have to use a very high heat to make it boil. What you only need to do is to use a very low heat to dissolve it, because they are easily to dissolve. So use a very low heat to dissolve them. At this point, the heating process is over, so we are going to put up the heat and bring it down from the heat. Here we'll be mixing the remaining ingredients. The next one to mix is the blended herbs, hair growth herbs, into the mixture. We're going to be adding like 1 tablespoon of the blended herbs into the mixture. Stir it very well to mix up. Then after mixing, you add the next ingredients. So the next one to add here is the vitamin E oil. You add in the vitamin E oil, also mixing very well to combine together. So the next one to add is the fragrance. Right here I'm using the pineapple fragrance to make it smell so nice. Here is the fragrance I just added, and the last but not the least ingredient to be adding is the color. Here is the color. I have color yellow here. That is what I'll be adding into this mixture to beautify and give the cream a color. And I'm using an oil soluble color. You don't have to use a water soluble color. You use an oil soluble color into your hair cream. If you mix your color and it's not up to your desired consistency, you can add more to get your own desired color consistency that you want for the hair cream. So I'm here adding more color into the cream and mixing it up to complete the process of this production. Here, this is the last thing to add into this cream. At this point, we are done making this particular cream. So the next thing to do is to get the containers. Here are my containers that I'll be using to bottle up this hair cream. I have these containers here, so I'll be pouring in the cream into the containers. You have to pour. At this point, this cream is still hot, so you have to pour into the container as it's hot. So after pouring it, you are going to allow it to stay for hours, maybe maximum 2 hours. After 2 hours, everything has thickened up and molded into the cup. So guys, after 1 hour, I'm going to come back and show you guys the end product of this cream. Stay tuned. And if you have watched to this point, please like this video, send in your comments, share your thoughts with me about this cream in the comments section. Share this video to whoever needs it, and please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Guys, after 1 hour, here is the end product of this hair growth cream. The cream came out so nicely. It has completely solidified into the cup. This cream is actually giving. It's giving what it should. You can see from the video very much okay. This cream can be sold in the market, can be sold in the supermarket. Just put your sticker and make it look beautiful and sell to whoever or to whichever market you choose to sell. They will definitely buy it. You can also produce for personal use. The texture, everything is so nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and do not forget to share this video after watching so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people that need to see it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.